Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Smiling Islander, and today we are making creamy jackfruit curry, or aka Kirikos. Growing up in Sri Lanka, jackfruit is a tree that we always got our food from. It's a huge tree, it gives a huge harvest, and it can feed a village. With that, today we are going to make a creamy jackfruit curry using amazing jackfruit, but however we are using dehydrated jack because in US it's very hard to find jackfruit, the fresh jackfruit kind. So because of that we are using a dehydrated jackfruit. And so for this recipe we need some dehydrated jackfruit, some onions, mustard seed, and some curry powder, salt, and some garlic, and some coconut milk, and some regular water and hot water. So why we use the hot water is because the dehydrated jack, we have to hydrate the jackfruit. In order to do the hydration part, we have to put some hot water. So first things first, let's dehydrate the jack. Let's put the hot water and let it soak in for good 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. Make sure the pan is hot. Onions in. We're gonna sweat the onions. We're not gonna burn the onions, but we just wanna make sure that the onions are cooked through, because the star of the dish is jackfruit, not the onions. While the onions are cooking, we're gonna strain the jackfruit now. This is after 10 minutes. See how the color changes. Now it's more moist and the jackfruit is ready for us to cook. Now we're gonna add the mustard seeds. So mustard seeds, it's widely available in any Indian store or any Sri Lankan store. Give it a good mix. Gonna add the curry powder. Give it a good mix. So I forgot to mention the golden ingredient. We have turmeric. We're gonna add some turmeric. Give it a good mix. Now we're gonna add the garlic. I used 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. We added the jackfruit. Now we're going to give it a mix. Here we go. Now we're going to add a little bit of water. So we're going to make sure we cook it through. It's not a lot, maybe half a cup. Now we're going to cook it for a good 5 to 7 minutes. We're going to add some salt to taste. Now give it a mix and keep on cooking, guys. Our jackfruit curry is ready now. Now we're going to finish it off with some coconut milk. I add maybe 1/3 the cup of coconut milk. So it's totally up to you. The more coconut you add, you can make it more creamier. So I'll prefer to add more coconut milk and just to make it creamy. This whole area smells so good. Our creamy jackfruit curry is ready. Look at the texture, guys. It looks so yummy. And this is great with a bed of rice, and it's the ultimate comfort food. And look how gooey it looks. Has like a cheesy texture, but it's not cheese. It's pretty much coconut milk, and it's so amazing, and it's so totally vegetarian, and you will like it. We will love it. It's vegan, vegetarian, and it's the best thing in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this is creamy jackfruit curry, aka Sri Lankan style Kirikos, or island style jackfruit curry. Here we go.